My name is Fredric Hidesand, Business Project Manager for Bertin Exensor. Bertin Exensor is a defense and security company based in Sweden, in Lund and Kalmar, and also in the UK in Basingstoke. We are part of the French industrial group Bertin Technologies. As of now, the company counts approximately 65 employees spread in different fields: algorithm developers, testing engineers, mechanical and design engineers, comms and network specialists, production supervisors, and so on. Bertin Exensor designed Flexnet, an unattended ground sensor system dedicated to the detection, classification, and identification of threats and targets. In other words, Flexnet is a toolbox of passive and wireless sensors that offer different capabilities: seismic, acoustic, thermal, and magnetic. And each of them send their data within a silent mesh network that routes everything back to a command and control solution, piloted via a laptop, tablet, or a smartphone. Flexnet is highly customizable and scalable. We can go from a handful of sensors controlled by a smartphone for a really small area to a proper control and command center with dozens of units deployed over kilometers. In some cases, no seismic or infrared data will be needed, or only one of these two, or both. That's why we say that Flexnet is really customizable depending on the needs. Flexnet can be used for civilian application, but is mostly used by different corps of the armed forces, special forces, home guard, reconnaissance units, and so on. Depending on the use case and terrain, we find different configurations of Flexnet, tailored to adapt the best to specific requirements. The most common applications we find are the following: protection of soldiers during missions, intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, counter mobility, protection of sensitive sites, areas and high-value assets, border control. One example, when just a few soldiers are out on a mission in a hostile area, they need to maximize their situational awareness to succeed and spend minimum time covering their back. This is where Flexnet is relevant, as it provides protection covering non-line of sight and dead ground, out of ears and eyes range. It allows early detection of threats and consequently early decision-making to take necessary actions.